You're watching the Weiss channel. Today we're going to rationalize denominators part 2. Part 2 because in part 1 I said, well, what you would do with this one, since we cannot have a square root in the denominator, you do square root of 20 over square root of 20. You'd multiply by that in order to get rid of the square root in the denominator. But what you're going to do first instead is figure out what perfect square evenly goes into 20. And that would be 4. So this is the same as square root of 4, square root of 5. And the square root of 4 is, of course, 2. And now the 4 and the 2 cancel. So you've got 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4 twice. So you have 2 over square root of 5. Now we multiply by square root of 5 over square root of 5, and your answer is 2 square root of 5 over 5. What perfect square goes into 12? That would be 4. So you've got 1 over square root of 4, square root of 3. Square root of 4 is 2. So you got 1 over 2 square root of 3. So you multiply by square root of 3 over square root of 3, and you got square root of 3 over 2 times 3, which is 6. Okay. What perfect square goes into 63? That would be 9. 9 times 7 is 63. What perfect square goes into 63? That would be 9. Square root of 9, square root of 7. What's the square root of 9? That would be 3. Square root of 7. So now we're going to multiply by square root of 7 over square root of 7. So you get square root of 7 over 3 times 7, which is 21. 6 over square root of 40. What perfect square goes into 40? That would be 4. So you got 4 square root of 10. What's the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So you've got 3 over square root of 10. Multiply by square root of 10 over square root of 10. And you've got 3 square root of 10 over 10. You've been watching the Weiss channel.